Welcome, in front of me is a Honor 10X Lite, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using settings as an example for this, and once it's open and visible, what you want to do is hold power key and volume down. So let's do that right now. This will give you the sound and also a couple of shortcuts that you can activate once you capture a screenshot. So we have share, swipe it away, and then swipe down to capture a scrollable screenshot. Which, going back to the scrollable, quickly show it. So, oops, didn't actually. There we go. Swipe down, it's allow, and this will start swiping it down. Unfortunately, Huawei has one of the worst ways of doing the scrollable screenshot, which, as you can see, it starts scrolling quite fast, and from there basically you want to tap on the screen to stop it from scrolling. So if you're planning to capture a little bit more precise screenshot, for instance you want to go to specific option, what I do recommend you is to overshoot and then crop it by changing the size like this, because honestly there is no other way to do it. Anyway, once you have set it the way you want, click on the save option there, and this will save your screenshot. And now let's find the screenshot in our gallery. So once you open up gallery application, you will have categories at the bottom. So you want to select albums, and then you should see screenshot. For some reason it's under all photos. There should be also a screenshot folder, but anyway, let's just go here, and you can see there is the couple of screenshots that I have captured. So anyway, this is how you could capture a screenshot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.